Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x500f0984 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult to resolve. We have a script for you and we will share it in the description section of the video. So this script will reset the Windows Update components. Okay. So first of all, we will copy this script and then we will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then click on run as administrator. We'll paste it here and then we will hit enter and it will do the job for us. Now I'll tell you what it does exactly. So it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. I'll show you the command here. And finally, it will restart the services and everything will be back to normal. So basically, we have tried every single solution that is required for solving issues related to Windows updates, and there is nothing that we can do beyond this. Once this is done, the next solution will be to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the right hand side. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.